Guys, today we got a cab high Astro. Fits a 9907 Ford Super Duties F350 250s. Dark blue in color. It's an older unit, so it has a little bit of issues on it. Has some scuffs on the side and the paint here. A little bit of scratches and chips there. A couple scratches right there. Not horribly bad, but the top edge looks pretty decent. Got a chip right there. Does have some chips on the front edge there. A couple on the corner. It has black trim on the bottom edge here. It's chewed up a little bit, so they put a piece of black trim on it. It was missing the blue piece. A little bit of scratches on the bottom. Does have the half side sliders in the side. Front sliding window. This has, like I said, it has the chips there on the edge. Top front edge there, it's got a couple chips in it. Behind the brake lights, a couple chips there. A small little stress crack right there. Sliding window, slides open. Sure it does. There it goes. Latch slides open. That's a couple chips right there, and then right there. It's not really beat up, it's just old. There's a couple of scratches right there. The rubber trim's come off here a little bit on the back corner, coming loose there. A little bit of a scratch there. That's just dirt. With a scuff mark right there. The bottom edge, you can see some scratches on that edge there. The rubber trim, a little bit scuffed up there on the bottom. Like I said, from a distance, it don't look too bad. It's got half side sliders on this side as well. Does have the frameless rear door, third brake light. Inside is carpeted. Screens are pretty decent, not seeing any holes in the screens. Oh, a small one right there, as soon as I said that. A little tiny one though. I said it's carpeted inside. The front sliding window is a tilt-in slider, so it has a latch on this side and a latch on this side, which allows the window to tilt in. That way you can clean the back of the truck cap window here, and then you clean the front of this window here. The window flips back up, like so. And latches shut. Somebody had some LEDs in here. Whether they work or not, no idea. Screen on this side has a couple holes in it. One right there. That's really it. Like I said, the window slides, so you got a little latch. Slide the window open for ventilation, close it back up. Serial number. I don't know if you'll see it or not. There it is. I couldn't see it. The forklift arm was in the way, but there it is. It's a cab high fiberglass Astro model. Fits the 9907 Ford Super Duty with the 8-foot bed, dark blue in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website. You can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. Also subscribe below to our channel so that you can stay up to date on any products that we upload. Any of these caps, if you're looking for a specific one, we upload them right away as soon as we get them, so that you can be notified when we get them. Maybe you're looking for something specific, you'll be able to find out when we upload it. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.